photography experience for every moment. The pursuit of clarity in photography is endless.
To the 120-watt Xiaomi Hypercharge
is the 200 megapixel imaging system from Xiaomi 12T Pro, which brings clarity and a more flexible and excellent experience in all scenario photography. We intend to record as many details as possible so that more Therefore, based on this, we've built the 200 megapixel imaging system on Xiaomi 12T Pro. Xiaomi's end-to-end 200 megapixel imaging system, even beyond human eyes. The secret lies here in the imaging system on Xiaomi 12T Pro, which looks quite simple from the outside. You need to enjoy the arts of light and shadow to make moments mega. We will continue to explore technologies that bring happiness to everyone's life.